In this video, I'll show you how you can connect OpenAI to Base44. So first thing, make sure you are logged into your account. Then hover your mouse on this integration tab, click on it. And from here you can search or find it by yourself. So as you can see, it's already first one. So click on this OpenAI text to image. This integration allows you to generate images from text. So what you need to do is you need to have API key. So you can go on this, you can copy this link and paste it in new window. And from here, you can go to the top right corner and click on create a new secret key. Click on it. Here you can type your name, for example, test key. You can choose project, so default project, and you can also choose permissions. I'm gonna keep it on all and click create secret key. As you can see, this is your API key, so make sure to copy it. Then go to Base44 and click on this button, use this integration. Now you need to paste the key here, paste it here. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, it's showing me integrations 1. So now you can start generating images from text with OpenAI integration. And that's it. That's how you can connect OpenAI to Base44. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.